we're going to be unboxing a Netgear AC750 range extender because we just got fiber and my internet is way low. So, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open the box like this. You might have to take off a little flap that's going to be sticky, so watch out for that. Then, you're going to pull, you're going to pull this out. And would you look at that? This is the tiniest thing I have ever seen. Oh my god! And it has like a little circle. Remember that, kids. So we're gonna open it up like so. Take out your extender. Make sure the antennas are pointing up. And, well, let's move on to the installation.
Where are you now? Where are you now?
Okay, welcome back. We're inside the office. We have our little thing over here. Small little box, silver. Now, you're going to first plug it into the room that has your router in it. We're going to plug it into this port down here. Like that. Move this camera a little bit up. There you go. So then, it's as easy as putting it in here. Okay, that's the first step of the process. Now, you're going to press on this button that says WPS. Press on it. First on the extender. Wait, it's still booting up, I guess. Okay. Press and hold, I guess. And then, on your router, press on the WPS button as well. Now, wait. On WPS. My mic. Okay. Then it should work. Well, it's not working though. So, that's yay. You might have to give it a minute. So yeah, if you do have to give it a minute, that's kind of sad. Okay. Okay, then I'll try something else. Oh god. Any minute now. Okay, so we're back. Press on the WPS button on the extender. Then press on the WPS button on your router. It should just automatically connect. Give it a moment. It does take a little while. I had to do something to make it work, but after that it got fixed. If yours does not work, try connecting to the Wi-Fi Netgear_ext and go to mywifi.ext.net. Oh, what's this? Yeah, it's taking a while. I'm gonna have to remove this on my camera devices. This will be fun. Oh, look! It's like that. So if you want in on the 5 gigahertz band, or if you have a router that's newer than 2011, well, press this button again on the extender. Press the button again on the router. Wait for the pairing process to continue. Climbing under the cameras. That's fun. Yeah, this is kind of boring. Hey, look at that! If you have any questions about this video, please comment, like, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the video with the outro.